We are going to access our schedule by clicking on its name. Here we can see all our users. We are going to create our first shift. To do this, we click Add New. From here, we can create a new shift, create a shift from an existing template, create multiple shifts, or add users to the calendar. We select Create New Shift. Here, we can enter the shift name, choose the color used to identify the shift, and specify if we need someone from a specific role. We also select the start date, start time, and end time. If needed, we can also filter employees assigned to the shift based on their skills or certifications. We can also add a specific location, a detailed description, and any notes. If necessary, we can attach files. Next, we assign the shift to our users. We can search for users by name, role, skills, or certifications, and we can assign more than one person to the shift. Then we click Save. In this section, we can create and associate the tasks, reports, and scan points that we need our employees to complete during this shift. For tasks, we need them to check the back door, scan the QR code at the front of the building, complete the daily activity report, and check the exercise facility. For reports, we need them to complete the daily report, a maintenance request report, and a security incident report. If we want, we can save this shift as a draft in case we want to come back to it later. Here, we can see our shifts. The diagonal white lines indicate that the shift is not published. I did not publish it yet because I may have forgotten to add another employee. So, I click on the shift, go to the pencil icon to edit it, and add the employee that was missing. I can also change the time if needed. I can then update the draft, save it as a template, or publish it. We can see that our changes are now reflected. To publish the shift, we click on the eye icon and select Publish. When the shift changes to full color without diagonal lines, it means the shift is published. Now we can create more shifts and continue filling out our schedule.